Hello friends, second video on nucleus. In this chapter I will be making very short videos because the topics that are involved are also very short. Okay, so what is the second topic? Second topic is about the measurement of mass and energy. Okay, so why do we need a different unit to calculate the mass and energy inside a nucleus? Very simple. See, if I measure the mass in terms of kg and energy in terms of joule, then this mass and this energy will be very huge. Suppose, take an example of a very rich person who deals minimum in lakhs or crores, and on the other hand, take my example, I deal in hundreds and thousands. So, the unit of currency that I am using is 100 and 1000, and the unit of currency that very rich people use is lakhs and crores. Whatever units is applicable to him is not applicable to me. Whatever units are applicable for me, they may not be, or they may be irrelevant for him. So, when you are on a big scale, you may use kilogram as unit of mass and joule as unit of energy, but when you are on a subatomic scale or even in atomic scales, the mass is measured in AMU, atomic mass unit, and the energy is measured in electron volt. ये दोनों यूनिट्स आपके किलोग्राम और जूल से बहुत बहुत छोटे यूनिट्स होते हैं. ठीक है. एनर्जी, you already know what is electron volt. The energy gained by electron, I am saying the definition of electron volt, the energy gained by an electron while crossing through a potential difference of 1 volt is called 1 electron volt, and the relation of 1 electron volt and joule is given by this. 1 electron volt is equals to charge of electron into joules. So whenever you want to convert electron volts into joule multiplied by charge of electron, and whenever you want to convert joules into electron volt divided by the charge of electron. Alright, the new thing is AMU, atomic mass unit. Let us see first of all how it is defined. First of all, the definition of AMU is not a natural definition. Just like जिस तरह से हम लेंथ को और टाइम को मेजर करते हैं, तो इनकी एक नेचुरल डेफिनेशन हमारे पास में होती है, विच हैज़ कम फ्रॉम द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट और फ्रॉम रेडियो एक्टिविटी. राइट, मास की कोई नेचुरल यूनिट हमारे पास में नहीं है. तो किलोग्राम को भी हमने कैसे डिफाइन किया था? इट इज अ पर्टिकुलर ब्लॉक ऑफ प्लैटिनम इरिडियम एलॉय विच इज केप्ट एट जिनेवा, द हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ सिस्टम इंटरनेशनल. Now that mass is taken as 1 किलोग्राम mass, और फिर उसको अगर हाफ किया 500 ग्राम, उसको 1000 टाइम्स स्मॉल किया तो 1 ग्राम mass. तो वहां भी हमने एक आर्टिफिशियल यूनिट यूज किया था. Here also we are using an artificial unit to measure masses. Definition, what is it? 1 AMU, 1 atomic mass unit is defined as 1/12 of the mass of C612 atom. यानी एक नॉर्मल C612 एटम लेना है आपने, उसके मास को मेजर करना है और फिर उसको 12 से डिवाइड करना है. राइट, इफ यू डू दिस, वट एवर मास यू गेट, दैट मास इज इक्वल्स टू 1 AMU, और you can also call it 1U, unified mass भी इसको कई बार बोलते हैं. So what is the relation between AMU and kg? When you divide this, it's 1.6605 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Okay. Now coming to the next thing, equivalence of mass and energy. When the quantum theory came into existence, it said one thing, that mass and energy are interconvertible. Mass can be converted to energy, energy can be converted to mass. Here we will be converting some mass into energy. How much mass? Mass equal to AMU. अभी हम कैलकुलेशन करेंगे कि अगर 1 AMU के बराबर मास को हम एनर्जी में पूरी तरह से कन्वर्ट कर दें तो व्हाट अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी वी विल गेट. वेरी सिंपल. यूज द इक्वेशन फॉर मास एनर्जी conversion. E is equals to m into c square. Put mass of 1 AMU. We can see how much is that. 1.6605 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. C is the speed of light. We have to square it. And because I want energy in electron volt. देखो mass किस में लिया है मैंने? kg में, which is the SI unit. Speed of light is taken in meters per second. That is again in the SI unit. So I will be getting the energy in SI unit. That means I will be getting energy in terms of joule. Now I want to convert these joules into electron volt. So I will divide it by the charge of electron. And when you solve this, what the number you get is 931 into 10 raised to 6 electron volt. I can write this 10 raised to 6 as 1 mega or 1 million. So energy obtained is 931 million electron volt. यानी कि अगर 1 AMU को पूरी तरह से एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट किया जाए, so the energy obtained will be 931 million electron volt, MeV.